Echo, Echo. What? Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Well, good morning, good morning, good morning. And today, where are we going? Where are we going?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know? We're going for a Christmas swim. Yes, Echo? Beach is empty, water is clear, a bit windy. Well, I don't know, we'll see. Well, so Christmas swim and there's no people here. In here, most of the time people come for New Year's swim, not for Christmas, not so much. So let's check the temperature of water and let's go for a little swim. Come! What's the temperature? This way. Dropping down 16. Okay, 15. Okay, so this is 15 degrees. It's actually weather temperature. 15, it's way warmer than the water. Because water is frozen. It's frozen. Oh, the water was way too cold. It's actually freezing. That's why there's no one in the sea or out on the beach. But we did it.